President Murmu's parliament address draws backlash. Controversy erupts over President Murmu's address. Silence on Manipur crisis sparks criticism. Manipur slogans raised during Murmu's speech.
मेरी सरकार ने महिला सशक्तिकरण के एक नए युग की शुरुआत की है.
Government vows tough action on NEET paper leak. Pledges examination process reform. President Draupadi Murmu's recent address to Parliament, marking the beginning of the third NDA government's tenure, has stirred significant controversy over its handling of the situation in Manipur. In a speech focusing on achievements and goals for the Northeast, President Murmu notably omitted any mention of Manipur, a state grappling with severe unrest. During her hour-long address, President Murmu highlighted the strides made in regional development, citing the establishment of a Rs 27,000 crore semiconductor plant in Assam and a substantial increase in central funding over the past decade. However, her silence on the ongoing crisis in Manipur, where more than 220 lives have been lost and thousands displaced in the past 13 months alone, has drawn sharp criticism from various quarters.
असम में 27,000 करोड़ रुपया की लागत से सेमीकंडक्टर प्लांट बनाया जा रहा है, यानी नॉर्थ ईस्ट मेड इन इंडिया चिप्स को भी सेंटर होने वाला है. मेरी सरकार नॉर्थ ईस्ट में स्थायी शांति के लिए निरंतर काम कर रही है. पिछले इस 10 वर्षों में अनेक पुराने विवादों को हल किया गया, अनेक अहम समझौते हुई है. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में अशांत क्षेत्रों में तेज विकास करके चरणबद्ध तरीके से अफवाह हटाने का काम भी जारी है.
Critics further emphasize that Manipur represents one of the most pressing internal security challenges faced by the current government. They argued that while the broader efforts towards Northeast development are commendable, the exclusion of Manipur from the presidential address raises serious questions about the administration's commitment to effectively addressing local conflicts. As debates continue, both within Parliament and across the country, the focus remains on how the government plans to confront the persistent challenges in Manipur, while striving to achieve lasting peace and development across the entire Northeast region. On the other hand, Draupadi Murmu stated that the government is committed to conducting a fair investigation and ensuring strict punishment for those responsible for leaking the NEET question papers. She also affirmed that national efforts are underway to improve the examination process.
हाल ही में कुछ परीक्षा में हुई पेपर लीक की घटनाओं की निष्पक्ष जांच और दोषियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दिलवाने के लिए मेरी सरकार प्रतिबद्ध है. हमारे इससे पहले भी हमने देखा है कि कई राज्यों में पेपर लीक की घटनाएं होती रही है. इस पर दलीय राजनीति से ऊपर उठकर देशव्यापी ठोस उपाय करने की जरूरत है.
न्यूज़ डेस्क रिपोर्ट, एनी न्यूज़.